just delightful. Guys, I had 2 fabulous pastries made by the French chef Yann Couvreur in Paris. First, I had a Pistachio Gianduja Roll and this amazing raspberry and tarragon cheesecake, so fresh and light. You need to try it. Very soft. This is one of the best cheesecake I ever had. It's super creamy. The crust is just delicious, and the strawberry, very fresh yet juicy. Look at that, le petit coulis de framboise. Pistachio and Gianduja roulé. Mamma mia! Oh là là! C'est orgasmique. The sweetness is very well balanced and the pistachio cream is just super tasty. Et voilà! Follow me for more tasty pastries!